Laundry hacks that don't work. Dissolve 5 aspirin tablets in hot water and soak clothes before washing to make them super white. Add 1 cup of salt to wash water to prevent colors from bleeding. Add 2 cups of coffee or tea to rinse water to keep clothes dark. Add 1 cup of table salt to rinse water to keep colors vibrant. Add the juice of 1 lemon to wash cycle to boost detergent performance. For clothes that shrunk in the wash, soak in a pitcher of lukewarm water and conditioner for about 15 minutes. Lay out on a towel to dry. Add just 1/4 cup of vinegar to rinse water to disinfect clothes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.